Have you seen what just happened this week? China and a few other tech giants unveiled humanoid robots that look, honestly, a little too real. Robots standing upright, moving like people, working in factories, stores, even playing sports. It's not science fiction anymore. Companies like UB Tech just secured massive orders, hundreds of millions, for humanoid robots ready to work on factory floors. This is industrial automation with a face. And it doesn't stop there. In Shenzhen, people watched robots sparring, dancing, assisting customers, all with movements so natural that some viewers actually stepped back. In Wuhan, a full robot experience center opened to the public. You can talk to them, shop with them, even watch them play soccer. Humanoid robots aren't coming someday. They're here now. But here's the part that really scares me. If robots can walk, talk, work, learn, what happens to human jobs, to human identity, to the idea of what only we could do? Factories may need fewer people, stores might replace workers with humanoid assistants, and entire cities could shift around this new technology. And think about this. When robots stop being machines and start becoming colleagues, helpers, or competitors, what does that do to society? What does that do to us? This race isn't just technological, it's social, economic, even philosophical. Who controls these robots? Who programs their ethics? Who decides what they're allowed to do? Because once humanoid robots start walking into our factories, our streets, and eventually our homes, the biggest change won't be what they become, it'll be what we become.